activity you could do with your child for our Teddy Bears theme week. It's having a picnic with your child. And I read this story, The Teddy Bears Picnic, on CullinsABCs.com. You can find me reading it. And so you could listen to the story beforehand and then have a picnic together. And you can make the lunch together before you could go. You could go to the park, you could go in your backyard. Or if you don't have great weather to do that, you can also just have a picnic inside in your family room or dining room or something. You just need a blanket, and you guys can sit down together and then just pack your lunch, things, of course, that your child's going to like, whatever they like, Cheerios or, and a sandwich and milk and everything, and, plates, and just set up together, and you sit down together. And don't forget your teddy bears, because you are having a teddy bear picnic, so you could have your child pick one small bear that they get to bring with them. And, another fun thing you could eat, too, are little Teddy Grahams. And those are always fun little things that we do at my school. We bring their teddy bears, and we have little Teddy Grahams and a little picnic together. So I hope you enjoy this idea with your child.